Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theory, and in this video we are discussing the mythological and archetypal criticism and concentrating on Jungian psychology. Introduction. Carl Gustav Jung, a prominent psychologist and philosopher, made significant contributions to psychoanalysis and literary criticism. His work, which diverged from the theories of his mentor Sigmund Freud, emphasized the broader concept of psychic energy over sexual energy. Jung's insights into the collective unconscious and archetypes have profoundly influenced myth criticism and the understanding of literature. Introduction to Jungian psychology. Carl Jung's break from Freud stemmed from his broader perspective on psychoanalysis. While Freud focused heavily on the sexual aspects of the psyche, Jung believed in a more expansive view that considered psychic energy as central to human behavior. This shift allowed Jung to explore aspects of the human psyche that extended beyond individual experiences, tapping into a collective shared inheritance. Jung's contribution to myth criticism. Jung's most notable contribution to myth criticism is his theory of racial memory and archetypes. He expanded Freud's concept of the personal unconscious to include a collective unconscious, a repository of psychic material shared by all humans. This collective unconscious comprises archetypes, which are universal symbols and motifs that recur across cultures and time periods. Nature of the collective unconscious. Jung described the collective unconscious as a collective human being that transcends individual experiences and temporal changes. This collective entity embodies the accumulated wisdom and experiences of humanity, making it practically immortal. According to Jung, this collective unconscious is the source of archetypes that influence human behavior and thought. Archetypes and their manifestations. Archetypes, according to Jung, are not inherited ideas but predispositions to respond in certain ways to specific stimuli. These archetypes are inherited forms of psychic behavior that manifest in myths, dreams, and art. They are the fundamental structures through which the unconscious communicates with the conscious mind. Archetypes in myths and dreams. Jung believed that myths and dreams serve as mediums through which archetypes become accessible to the conscious mind. Myths are symbolic expressions of the unconscious psyche's inner drama projected onto the events of nature. Similarly, dreams are personalized myths that reveal the unconscious mind's content to the individual dreamer. Jung on art and the artist. Jung viewed artists as individuals with a special sensitivity to archetypal patterns. He argued that artists possess a primordial vision that enables them to convey experiences of the inner world through their art. This primordial experience requires mythological imagery to be fully expressed, as it transcends the limitations of ordinary language. Impact on literary criticism. Jung's theories have greatly expanded the horizons of literary interpretation. His concept of the collective unconscious and archetypes provides a framework for understanding the universal themes and symbols that pervade literature. This approach allows critics to delve deeper into the mythological underpinnings of literary works, offering richer and more nuanced interpretations. Conclusion. Carl Jung's insights into the collective unconscious and archetypes have left an indelible mark on literary criticism. By highlighting the universal patterns and symbols that connect all human experiences, Jung's theories offer a profound understanding of the human psyche and its expression in art and literature. His work continues to influence and inspire scholars, artists, and thinkers in their quest to explore the depths of the human condition. So this was the discussion on the Jungian psychology in context of mythical and archetypal criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.